If you have an Ambient Weather Network camera connected to AWN, you can now upgrade your streaming resolution, regeneration rate, sampling rate, storage capabilities, and camera dashboard features. In order to upgrade to one of the subscription tiers, you will need to log in to your Ambient Weather Network account on a desktop. Once you are logged in, select the AWN logo at the top left to open the menu. Select the Devices tab. Scroll to the device card that has the camera you want to upgrade. Select View Details next to the camera, which will open a window where you will see an Upgrade Now button. Select Upgrade Now, and the subscription options will appear. The standard tier is included when you add a camera to the Ambient Weather Network. This tier has a basic 640 by 320 resolution, a 4 times a day regeneration rate, a 5-minute sampling, and 1 day of storage. The Silver tier offers an enhanced 1280 by 720 HD resolution, a 6 times a day regeneration rate, a 3-minute sampling, and 30 days of storage. The Gold tier is our premium tier, which includes 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution, an 8 times a day regeneration rate, a 3-minute sampling, and 60 days of storage. The Silver and Gold tiers include a library and WeatherCam dashboard tab. The Library tab allows you to manage your stored videos. The WeatherCam tab shows your current time-lapse footage and lets you view detailed weather charts that coincide with your video. Select the Upgrade button under the tier you want to upgrade to. You will be taken to a payment page, where you can enter your credit card information. Once payment has been confirmed, your camera will automatically upgrade to the new subscription level and be set to auto-renew. To manage your subscription, click on your avatar image and scroll to the bottom of your account page. Locate the Manage Subscription section to view your active subscriptions and toggle on and off auto-renew. Depending on the color tier you choose and if your camera is public, the main map will now display either a silver or gold play icon.